Voila! Welcome to the comprehensive review of the brand new launch X431 Creader Elite 2.0 FGC OBD2 scanner. Today, we'll delve into the features, benefits, and unique capabilities of this powerful automotive diagnostic tool. Let's start with an overview of this excellent little scan tool. Designed for automotive technicians and DIY car enthusiasts, the Launch X431 Creader Elite 2.0 FGC is a compact yet powerful addition to any toolbox. Upon unboxing, you'll find the scan tool in its own convenient pouch with an OBD cable that needs to be attached. The setup is straightforward with easy Wi-Fi connectivity and quick access to updates. This scan tool offers automatic bin detection, full system scans, and access to any communicating module in the vehicle. With features like power balance, relative compression, and more, it's a comprehensive tool at an affordable price. For automotive technicians, this tool provides full coverage of GM, Chrysler, and Ford vehicles with bi-directional controls and other great features for diagnosing automotive faults. The Launch X431 Creator Elite 2.0 FGC OBD2 scanner is a versatile tool that offers a lot of bang for the buck. Whether it's for regens, power balance, or full system scans, it's a highly recommended addition to any technician's toolbox. In conclusion, this professional OBD2 scanner is a game changer for automotive diagnostics. With its wide range of functions and compatibility, it's a must-have tool for anyone working with domestic vehicles. Cheers! Please click the link in the description below to get more detail of the product. Cheers!